to secret ko sa pagkain. Ba? Naubos ko siya. Cute na, diba? So, happy. Ayan. Favorite ko yan dito. Hindi ko na siya kayang ubusin. Ayaw ka namang mag-overeat. And buti na lang pala nag-park ako sa malayo kasi at least makakapaglakad and pababa ng food. Ang lamig dito ngayon sa fort. Hindi ko alam kung bakit but it's cold here. So carry lang maglakad. Sabi ko na ata kanina pa ulit-ulit. Pero sobrang nabusog ako. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Take out pa ako. Hindi kaya nasobrahan ako. Pero okay lang. So, nag-reply na sila. Probably something came up. Alam mo, na-realize ko ngayon na nag-mature na pala ako. If this was the younger version of me, I would have been upset. But more than upset, I was worried because something might have happened. But good to know na it's the otherwise. Kita nyo naman guys, happy naman ako. Nasa silo daw sila. So I'm thinking, I can't drink kasi may blood test ako tomorrow. Kasi I just had diarrhea. Para lang malaman nyo. May vlog akong lalabas, so I just had diarrhea. And so I can't drink kasi may blood test. Plus I'm so full. Like, kita nyo naman guys yung kinain ko, di ba? I'm so full. So how can I dance? I can't drink and I can't dance. And silo pa nga. I'm not sure. Malalaman ko yan pagkahipak ko. So I'm back here and I'm so thinking if matuloy ako guys, there's going to be a part 2